Want to remove a repost from your Instagram profile? I'll show you how in under a minute. Step 1. Open your Instagram app and go to your profile. Step 2. Tap the Posts or Reels tab where the repost appears. Open the reposted item and tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. From the menu, choose Remove Repost or Delete Post depending on your account. Confirm the action when prompted to remove the repost from your profile. If the repost came from another account, you may need to unsave or remove the shared post instead. Alternatively, open Settings, tap Privacy, then Posts to manage reshared content. In Posts settings, toggle off Allow reshared posts or uncheck specific shares. Return to your profile and refresh the feed to make sure the repost is gone. If you still see it, clear your app cache, log out and back in, or contact Instagram support. That's it. Remove reposts in seconds. Like and follow for more quick Instagram tips.